The Halo Collar 4 stands out in the competitive world of pet technology by blending advanced features with ease of use. Priced at $599 on Amazon, it offers a comprehensive solution for dog owners who want to keep their furry friends safe and well-managed. This next-gen dog collar leverages an invisible geofence to keep your dog within a designated area, eliminating the need for physical boundaries like traditional fences. Setting up the Halo Collar 4 is surprisingly straightforward. The companion app guides users through a few simple steps to establish the virtual fence. Once set up, the app provides real-time tracking, allowing you to monitor your dog's location with precision. One of the standout features is the instant recall function, which proves invaluable when your pet ventures too close to the boundary or needs to be summoned quickly. In terms of design, the collar is both sturdy and comfortable, ensuring it doesn't irritate your dog during prolonged wear. The build quality reflects a thoughtful approach to durability, which is essential for active dogs who love to explore. Performance-wise, the Halo Collar 4 delivers on its promises. The geofence feature is remarkably accurate, providing consistent and reliable feedback. This level of precision can be attributed to the collar's advanced GPS technology, which is comparable to some of the best tracking devices on the market. Additionally, the real-time tracking is a significant advantage for pet owners who need peace of mind when their dogs are off-leash. Customer feedback highlights the collar's effectiveness, though some users have noted that the battery life could be improved. On a single charge, the collar lasts for about a day of active use, which might be less than ideal for those who prefer to keep the collar on continuously. Another minor drawback is the initial learning curve associated with the app. While the setup is quick, mastering all the features can take some time, especially for less tech-savvy users. Despite these minor cons, the Halo Collar 4's benefits far outweigh its drawbacks. Its combination of innovative technology, ease of use, and reliable performance makes it a standout choice for dog owners. Whether you're concerned about your dog's safety or simply want an efficient way to manage their movements, the Halo Collar 4 offers a solution that is both effective and user-friendly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.